I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
Basukala Makaya from a place that shows improvement.
Yeah.
Shitala Jona, who's very Jumu.
That's true. I was like that.
You will not tell that kid fuck.
And I shall have time Jones like, hey, no tell her this one got tell us.
You saw
this is
back home. That's definitely me.
So if we do not plant Moya will improve. I'm not saying Moya will Songolo. When I'm starting Moya, I love it.
We have to start, all of us.
We have to start somewhere. Mara, can we improve? Progressively, slowly, and improve.
It's I think, Shumwani, I realized this Gangyo Tala logo. So I'm surrounded by a lot of broken people who have a lot of excuses. We do not have a culture of winning, a culture of being the best.
Yeah,
we have a culture of
yes, just one something.
So at least if you get in final,
because I have a friend who went to Sabah. That guy is super. Everything I send up has to be like, look, it's a matter. We see how everyone is dragging their feet. Plan you, okay, me now want to be the best at logoni tsala, logoni balabula, logoni mbareni, kuhaba culture, logona culture you, ntsena ningenini, and then logoni ngenini, imani ngangkandela to be kutukomba kuri mina mean. Logo unga sengena ni akukandele or logo ngeni ungatiyang sona. That culture is throughout black people. Black people awana aina moya. You know, like as an individual, you decide, okay, this is who I am. I need to make it work. And as a dude, you're like, okay, this is how I look. Cool. How do I then move around? How do I get the girls that I want in there? So
she pushes.
Is it money or is it not? It's all we need to do as in our individual pockets. Okay. Like we don't even have that with villages. Villager it's sex.
Yes.
It's sex, it's alcohol and drugs.
Yes.
To show that we are broken.
Yes.
To show that we are trying to spiral.
Yep.
That stuff is very addictive. Like
Corona I like bad lie.
We need to understand it's like let's say career exposure anything, and if we are not creating, it means there won't be any exposure, because you need to create in order for things to exist so that people can say yo. But
within all the creating and within all the initiatives and doing and also kuna moya wakuri again it goes back to makakuri we now start things, then we don't support one another, because
I think we're gonna support Bakwi. It's the entitlement. When I was doing Botswana Sunday, that's why I even stopped, because I realized, well, I think I'm too entitled to these people to come through, because now I'm saying, the reason I created, because I was seeing people saying we need something for us. I would like the Cosa Nostra and all kinds of things, and I was like, okay, I can make a stronger version of this.
Okay.
When I made it, the disappointment, like the tweets were strong. The online vibe was very strong. I was like, huh.
And that's the reality with a lot of
because I was so expecting them to come, because it's such song I was like, come. When we create loco endla jean, every woman must wear it. Those who want to wear it, let them wear it. We should not be so obsessed with our people following society. It's mandatory.
No, it's
not mandatory.
It's not a matter of mandatory.
Yeah.
It's not a matter of ku ri swo boha.
mara loko munhu a endla swa kahle
Why? In fact, not in Swaka ntsena. The whole point of creating a Tsonga Sign, the whole point of a festival is for people to come.
Yes.
The whole point of a TV show is for people to watch.
Yes.
The whole point of creating a clothing label is for people to buy. You are entitled for that, Kuri. If they don't buy, what's up?
Hey, you shut down. And
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.